This is an algorithms question based on asymptotic notations. We have been given three functions f1, f2 and f3 defined in the terms of n. All of them resemble some kind of exponential function. We basically have to arrange them in the increasing order of their asymptotic growth rate. So now we cannot directly compare these functions. Let us try to take log of each of them and then substitute some value of n, some large value, to be able to compare them easily. So when we take log of each one of them, then this f1 converts into log of 10 to the power n, and we're taking the base to be 10 itself. So this becomes n times of log 10 to the base 10, which is n itself. So f1, log of f1 actually becomes n. And if we compare the log of f1, f2, f3, and then that relation would be still holding true for f1, f2, f3 itself. So it does not matter if we are comparing the functions itself or their logs. And hence we are converting them into their logs so that it becomes easy for us to compare. Then this f2 would become log of n to the power log n. Then this log n can be brought outside. This becomes log n of log n. So basically log n squared. Log n the whole squared. Coming to f3, that becomes log of n to the power root n will come out, so it becomes root n times log of n, root n log n. Alright, now let us substitute some value of n, then it would be easier for us to compare, or we can even directly look at it that okay, let's substitute, then it would be easier. Some large value of n, let us say 10 to the power something 50, that would do. So when we substitute that value of n, then this log of f1, which was n, that converts into 10 to the power 50. Then this f2 is log of n and squared of that. So what does log of 10 to the power 50 become? It is simply 50. So this becomes 50 squared, which is not very huge. So from here we can see that f1 is greater than f2 asymptotically. Let us also check f3. It is root of n, means root of 10 to the power 50, that can be 10 to the power 25, and that multiplied with log of n, which we just saw, is 50. Now we can compare these three easily. It can be seen that f1 is the biggest of them because it is 10 to the power 50. So that will come first in the decreasing order I'm talking about. Then after that, this f3 would be second and this will be third, 50 squared. So there, in the increasing order, they will turn out to be f2, f3 and then f1. That is their increasing asymptotic growth order. So we'll be going with option D.